Hi everyone, welcome back to Explorer Alicia, and today we will explore Varadaraj Perumal Temple. Varadaraj Perumal Temple, also called Hastagiri and Atiyuran, is a Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu located in the city of Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, India. It is one of the Divya Deshams, the 108 temples of Vishnu, believed to have been visited by the 12 poet saints or the Alvars. It is located in a suburb of Kanchipuram known as the Vishnu Kanchi, that is a home for many famous Vishnu temples. One of the greatest Hindu scholar, Ramanuja, is believed to have resided in this temple. The temple, along with Ekambareshwara temple and Kamakshi Amman temple in Kanchipuram, is popularly known as Mumurti Vasam or Trimurti Vas, while Srirangam is referred to as Koil, meaning temple, and Tirupati as Malai, meaning hill. Among the Divyadeshams, Kanchipuram Varadaraj Perumal Temple is known as Perumal Koil. This is one of the most sacred places for Vaishnavis. The temple has around 350 inscriptions from various dynasties like Cholas, Pandyas, Cheras, and Vijayanagara, indicating various donations of the temple and also the political situation of Kanchipuram. Legend. According to Hindu legend, Saraswati cursed the king Indra to become an elephant and roam around the place. He was relieved of the curse with the divine power of Vishnu, who appeared as the Mount Hastagiri. Hastagiri indicates a mount hill in the form of elephant. Another legend states that the disciples of the sage Gautam were cursed to become lizards. They resided in the temple and were relieved of the curse by the divine grace of Vishnu. There is a panel in the temple where the two lizards are depicted in the roof of the temple. In my video you can see 100 pillared hall which has sculptures depicting Ramayana and Mahabharata. It is a masterpiece of Vijayanagara architecture. The temple has the wooden image of Radharaj Swami made of atti or the fig tree and preserved underwater in a chamber. It is brought out for worship once every 40 years. The festivals last 48 days, after which it is immersed in the water and stored for the next 40 years. This is the Pavitra tank you can see in my video. Varadaraj Perumal temple is huge within a 23 acres complex and shows the architectural skills of ancient Vishwakarma Satapatis in temple architecture and is famous for its holiness and ancient history. The temple dates back to the 11th century and was constructed by the Chola kings. It was later expanded by the Vijayanagara rulers. There is a shrine of Narsimha you can see in my video. The temple architecture is Dravidian architecture featuring carvings and towering gopurams, gateway towers. The temple has two towers on the eastern and western sides, which are 55 meters and 49 meters tall, respectively. Spiritual beliefs, court cases. Many devotees visit the temple to pray for favorable outcomes in legal disputes. It is believed that Lord Varadaraj Perumal's blessings can help resolve such issues. The temple has unique golden and silver lizard sculptures on the ceiling. It is believed that touching these lizards can absolve one of sins and bring good fortune. Annual festivals. The temple hosts several grand festivals, including the Brahmotsav, which attracts thousands of devotees from across the country. Temple timings: morning 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., evening 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. How to reach Varadaraj Perumal Temple in Kanchipuram by air. Nearest airport Chennai International Airport, approximately 58 km from Kanchipuram. From the airport, you can hire a taxi or take a bus to Kanchipuram. By train, nearest railway station Kanchipuram railway station, about 5 km from the temple. The station is well connected to major cities like Chennai, Bangalore, and others. From the railway station, you can take an auto rickshaw or taxi to the temple. By road, Kanchipuram is about 75 km from Chennai. You can drive or take a bus from Chennai to Kanchipuram. The journey takes around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. From Bangalore, Kanchipuram is about 280 km from Bangalore. You can drive or take a bus to Kanchipuram, which takes around 5 to 6 hours. Local transport, auto rickshaws and taxis, easily available for local travel within Kanchipuram. Buses, local buses also operate within the city and can take you to the temple. I have put lots of efforts to collect the data from various sources, and I have given the source link in the description. Videos are made up of lots of efforts. I am personally visiting the temples and collecting information about the temples from locals and also referring the internet for true information. I request to subscribe and comment on my videos so that my efforts will reach to lots of people.